Hi there! In this video, we're going to discuss a topic that affects many of us: added sugar. It may seem harmless and tempting, but trust me, it's a sweet trap that can have serious consequences for our health. Today, I want to raise awareness about the dangers of added sugar and share some practical tips on how to reduce your intake. You see, added sugar has become alarmingly prevalent in our modern diets. It lurks in unsuspecting places like sodas, juices, candies, pastries, and even some savory foods. It's not just the obvious sources. It's hiding in processed foods that we consume every day. The problem is that consuming excessive amounts of added sugar can lead to various health issues like obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even tooth decay. I know this might be worrying, but don't fret. The good news is that we can take control of our sugar intake and make healthier choices. So, how can you reduce your consumption of added sugar? Firstly, start by reading food labels. Look out for sneaky names like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and dextrose. By being aware of the different names for sugar, you can make informed decisions about what you eat. Secondly, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins should form the foundation of your diet. These foods contain natural sugars, fiber, and other essential nutrients that are beneficial for your body. Next, be mindful of your beverages. Sugary drinks are often a major source of added sugar in our diets. Opt for water, herbal tea, or unsweetened drinks instead. If you crave a fizzy drink, try sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime for a refreshing and sugar-free alternative. Additionally, be cautious when using condiments and sauces. Many of them contain hidden sugars. Read the labels and choose options with little or no added sugar. Lastly, remember that small changes can make a big difference. Gradually reduce the amount of sugar you add to your coffee or tea. Swap sugary desserts for healthier alternatives like fresh fruit or homemade treats with reduced sugar. Your taste buds will adjust over time, and you'll find yourself craving less sweetness. In conclusion, added sugar is a sneaky culprit that can harm our health if consumed excessively. By becoming aware of the sources of added sugar and making conscious choices, we can reduce our intake and improve our overall well-being. Remember, your health is worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.